A man becomes truly formidable the moment he understands he doesn't need status, rank, or approval to stand out. That idea sums up the Sigma male perfectly. He's the kind of man who somehow figures out how to fix issues he's never studied, survive challenges no one trained him for, and pick up abilities without ever announcing he was learning. Now before you dismiss it, here's something backed by psychology. People who spend more time alone often develop broad, versatile skill sets faster than those who constantly learn in groups, because observers absorb more than performers. That's the Sigma, quiet on the surface, but unintentionally becoming proficient in areas others spend years bragging they're pursuing. But it goes further. While most men wait for guidance, recognition, or a pat on the back, the Sigma male collects skills the same way someone builds a private emergency fund, silently, strategically, and usually because circumstances forced his hand. He isn't just well-rounded, he's unpredictably equipped. One moment he's reading people like a seasoned psychologist. The next he's repairing something with the precision of an engineer. Minutes later, he's dropping life advice that sounds like it came from a philosopher with a mischievous streak. And the crazy part? None of it was planned. He simply got tired of being let down, lied to, or misled, and decided he'd rather rely on his own knowledge than wait on someone else's. So today, we're breaking down why the Sigma male truly fits the title, Jack of all trades, not because he's chasing attention, but because life forced him to become his own solution. This is where the truth gets uncomfortable. Let's dive in. Number 1, he learns rapidly because no one is showing him how. The Sigma male doesn't depend on instructors, mentors, or step-by-step guidance. He isn't sitting around waiting for someone to hand him directions because he understands a hard truth: life rarely gives clear instructions for the paths worth taking. Instead, he educates himself through action, observation, trial, failure, and recalibration. While many struggle to fit inside the limitations of structured learning, he studies the world directly, absorbing patterns, behaviors, and hidden truths traditional education often overlooks. This style of learning isn't neat or convenient. It's chaotic, difficult, and surprisingly powerful. He gathers knowledge from real consequences, not from lectures or handouts. He spots what others ignore: the tiny shifts in body language under pressure, the moment a system begins to crack, the shortcuts that produce authentic results rather than temporary illusions. Every setback becomes an experiment in disguise, and every win gets broken down and analyzed to the last detail. The Sigma doesn't copy solutions, he extracts the core principle and adapts it, sometimes in ways that challenge the experts themselves. This self-forged intelligence accelerates faster than conventional learning because he isn't weighed down by irrelevant steps or outdated rules. Over time, his learning becomes instinctive. He doesn't need structure, he reads cause and effect almost instantly. He connects dots others don't even notice, linking a financial strategy to human behavior, a mechanical problem to a social pattern, or a psychological insight to a leadership decision. Every skill he gains becomes another tool of independence. For him, learning isn't about hoarding information, it's about acquiring leverage. Knowing which skill will grant him freedom, confidence, or efficiency when it matters most. This self-made education forms a type of intelligence that adapts with speed. With no one limiting his vision, the idea of possible expands. The Sigma male evolves quickly, not because he was born different, but because necessity becomes his teacher, failure becomes his lens, and solitude gives him a level of focus others rarely experience. In a society designed to reward those who follow directions, he gains a subtle, almost unfair advantage by teaching himself everything no one else bothered to learn. Number 2, he builds a hidden arsenal of micro-abilities that function like weapons. The Sigma male isn't chasing fame, trophies, or the title of expert. He isn't driven by the need to dominate one field or impress a crowd. His approach is far more strategic. He discreetly gathers small, targeted skills like pieces of custom equipment. On their own, each skill looks ordinary, almost trivial. But combined, they form a system of capabilities that's incredibly hard to predict, track, or neutralize. He understands that true power rarely comes from one oversized talent, it comes from having a diverse set of tools ready to deploy when reality demands it. These micro-abilities are often unexpected and unconventional. He may study human behavior enough to steer outcomes without force or argument. He might possess just enough technical knowledge to bypass obstacles others don't see. And he may train in practical self-defense, not showy, not cinematic, but effective when things get real. Every skill is selected with purpose, versatility, leverage, independence, not validation. What outsiders see as random or unfocused is actually a carefully woven network of abilities engineered to ensure he never has to rely too heavily on anyone or anything. The genius of this method lies in its unpredictability. Specialists thrive in one lane but crumble outside it. A Sigma bridges multiple lanes, adapts fluidly, and strikes from angles no one anticipates. By linking skills that seem unrelated, he forms what could be called a personal advantage system, where each ability amplifies another, creating a multiplier effect that outperforms conventional approaches. This quiet accumulation builds confidence, calm, and a unique kind of power. Because he isn't defined by one skill set or one identity, uncertainty doesn't rattle him. Where others freeze or panic, he improvises. He pulls the right technique at the right moment with minimal hesitation. Over time, this gives him the appearance of a man who can handle anything, not because he's unmatched in one discipline, but because he possesses a seamless blend of small, refined skills that work together like hidden weapons, silent, efficient, and utterly unpredictable. Number 3, he treats knowledge like a strategic weapon. The Sigma male doesn't view learning as a pastime or a way to look intelligent. To him, knowledge is ammunition, something to stockpile, sharpen, and unleash with precision only when it matters. Every skill, detail, and insight is gathered without fanfare, tucked away until it can create a decisive outcome. He has no interest in broadcasting what he knows. Instead, he focuses on acquiring the kind of intelligence that alters results, shields him from disadvantage, or gives him an edge over those who are loud, performative, and shallow. He studies people and situations with surgical accuracy, recording mental notes the way a marksman loads a magazine. Every reaction, flaw, trigger, and pattern is stored and analyzed. While others brag, ramble, and overshare, he observes, absorbs, and waits. His mind is a locked vault, information goes in, but it doesn't come out until it serves a purpose. And when he finally acts, the impact seems disproportionate because it's powered by concentrated, intentional knowledge. This mindset doesn't just apply to people, it extends to skills, systems, opportunities, and environments. The Sigma male gathers tactical understanding across multiple domains. He knows when to act and when restraint is the smarter move, recognizing that timing and execution are far more powerful than simply knowing. One well-placed insight can solve a problem in a field that appears unrelated, often making him seem perceptive, strategic, almost prophetic to anyone who underestimated him. What sets him apart is discipline. His knowledge isn't scattered, it's arranged like a blueprint for maximum leverage. He doesn't forget his lessons, he retrieves them with precision and uses them exactly when needed. While others learn in quick bursts that fade, he builds an expanding reservoir of intelligence, compounding quietly while the world rushes blindly. When he finally uses what he knows, it doesn't just resolve the situation, it shifts the dynamics completely. That's his advantage. He's not relying on charm, force, or blind luck. He relies on preparation, insight, and the precise application of everything he learned in silence. Knowledge is his weapon, and he wields it efficiently, intentionally, and always just one move ahead. Number 4, he evolves faster than gatekeepers can restrict him. The Sigma male doesn't wait for authorization to grow. He doesn't subscribe to the rules crafted by society, companies, or social hierarchies because by the time someone attempts to define his boundaries, he has already outgrown them. Most people get trapped climbing ladders that were never built for their success or shrinking themselves to fit molds that suffocate their potential. The Sigma sees those ladders as optional, slow, predictable, and controlled by people with motives of their own. He doesn't protest or play the game, he simply steps aside and builds pathways that make the old systems irrelevant. His rapid evolution comes from necessity, sharp observation, and an unbreakable commitment to self-improvement. He is constantly refining his skills, upgrading his mindset, and recalibrating his tactics, often away from the spotlight. While others wait for validation or guidance, he is quietly preparing for challenges others don't even see coming, expanding into territories that stretch beyond the average comfort zone. By the time someone acknowledges his growth, he's already operating on the next level. Rules and authority structures struggle to keep pace. Control tactics fall apart because they rely on predictability, and he refuses to be predictable. People who try to manipulate, limit, or contain him find themselves disoriented. The Sigma male doesn't fit into checkboxes, and attempts to confine him only highlight the smallness of the box, not the size of his potential. Institutions, status systems, and self-appointed experts lose power over him because their influence depends on conformity, and he is engineered for independence. This constant evolution breeds resilience. He isn't just learning, he's becoming a force capable of adjusting to any environment, outlasting any obstacle, and capitalizing on opportunities most overlook. He is adaptive, relentless, and unattached, making him nearly impossible to trap or predict. In a world designed to reward obedience, the Sigma male rises by refusing to move at society's pace. His speed of growth isn't accidental, it's strategic. He evolves too quickly to be controlled, learns too effectively to be dismissed, and adapts too completely to be contained. His power isn't announced. It's realized only after others discover he's already miles ahead. Number 5, he reverse engineers people the same way he reverse engineers systems. The Sigma male understands the world through a lens most people never realize exists. He studies people and structures the way an engineer studies a machine, by breaking them down, examining their parts, and identifying the mechanics at their core. He doesn't just watch behavior, he dissects it. Every choice, reaction, and repeated pattern becomes data that allows him to predict outcomes or influence the direction of events with remarkable accuracy. He sees the machinery behind the mask, and that insight allows him to navigate situations with near-surgical precision. This isn't driven by ego or a desire to control, it's rooted in survival, efficiency, and optimization. If a system is flawed, he analyzes it until he knows exactly where it breaks and how to improve it. If someone behaves irrationally or unpredictably, he doesn't respond emotionally, he decodes their motives, fears, triggers, and blind spots. This skill allows him to engage with almost anyone without being drained, blindsided, or manipulated. People may assume he's quiet or disconnected, but in reality, he's collecting information, mapping dynamics, and crafting the most effective response. He doesn't depend on step-by-step guidance. He doesn't need someone to explain a structure, a social hierarchy, or a complex system. He figures it out himself, often faster than those who studied it formally. That's his advantage. By reverse engineering, he gains mastery without needing approval, authority, or recognition. Every challenge becomes a puzzle, and every solution strengthens his confidence, capability, and resilience. What makes this approach so formidable is his ability to transfer insights across domains, applying lessons from mechanical systems to social ones, or using organizational insights to analyze personal relationships. His mind naturally links concepts others assume are unrelated, creating a web of knowledge that multiplies his effectiveness. People underestimate him because the depth of his analysis is hidden behind calm eyes and a quiet presence. But by treating both systems and individuals as problems to solve rather than obstacles to fear, the Sigma male positions himself as someone who cannot be easily deceived, controlled, or limited. He isn't just adaptable, he's strategically unstoppable in environments that reward intelligence, patience, and calculated precision. All because he learned to reverse engineer the world itself. Number 6, he develops skills to survive disrespect, not to impress society. The Sigma male doesn't pursue skills to appear talented or gain applause. His motivation comes from something far more personal, self-protection and self-respect. Experience has taught him that people will underestimate him, dismiss his potential, or attempt to control him. Instead of complaining or conforming, he uses those moments as fuel, acquiring the abilities he needs to navigate a world that often disrespects anyone who refuses to follow the script. Each skill becomes a form of insurance, a strategic safeguard ensuring he never needs to depend on others for security, success, or freedom. This gives him a rare kind of focus. He isn't consumed by popularity, applause, or society's trophies of success. He seeks capability, the practical kind that solves problems in the real world and gives him leverage when it matters. He might study negotiation after being misled in a deal, learn self-defense after facing hostility, pick up tech skills to maintain autonomy, or sharpen communication so no one can silence him. Every ability he acquires has purpose behind it, rooted in necessity, not ego. What makes this mindset so powerful is its effectiveness. Skills gained through real experience stick. He doesn't just memorize technique, he internalizes it. Adaptation becomes instinct. His versatility isn't a performance, it's a response to reality. He becomes capable of handling challenges others panic over because necessity bred mastery, not vanity. Each skill widens his independence, strengthens his boundaries, and protects him from anyone who would try to belittle or limit him. This subtle, practical power often goes unnoticed, until the moment it's too late for those who assumed he was unprepared. People rarely understand the depth of what he knows, and that's exactly how he prefers it. By learning skills to survive disrespect rather than impress society, the Sigma male quietly builds a life where he relies on no one, answers to no one, and is ready for challenges the rest of the world never saw coming. Final thoughts. The Sigma male is not defined by external validation, social status, or appearances. His power comes from a quiet mastery over himself and the world around him, a mastery built through observation, adaptability, and relentless pursuit of competence. He thrives where others falter, seeing challenges as opportunities, chaos as a classroom, and failure as a step toward growth. What sets him apart is not just skill or intelligence, but a mindset that separates identity from performance, fear from action, and complexity from clarity. He learns faster, adapts more effectively, and operates with a level of freedom that most will never experience. Every environment, every interaction, and every challenge becomes a source of growth, giving him an edge that is subtle, strategic, and nearly invisible until it's too late for others to catch up. The Sigma male's life is a lesson in quiet dominance, emotional independence, and strategic presence. He demonstrates that true power isn't loud or performative, it's deliberate, unseen, and cultivated through consistent action, resilience, and self-awareness. In a world obsessed with appearances and validation, the Sigma male proves that mastery without ego is the ultimate advantage. For anyone studying this archetype, the lesson is clear: true strength comes from internal mastery, adaptability, and the courage to embrace discomfort, risk, and uncertainty. The Sigma male isn't just surviving the world, he's navigating it with precision, evolving faster than most, and leaving an impact that cannot be measured by conventional standards.